Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Google Chat for new Facebook leads. So I am a marketing manager of new digital agency and I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads for my business, automatically my team should be notified regarding the details of each of the leads on Google Chat space. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Chat, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So here in this video, I am going to show you how you can automatically notify your team members on Google Chat space regarding the new lead which is received to you from Facebook lead ads. So I am a marketing manager for a digital marketing agency, and over here I am running Facebook lead ads to promote my business. So this is the Facebook page on which I am running an ad campaign that I have created with the help of Facebook lead ads, and my objective is that whenever the lead is going to be generated from Facebook lead ads, by submitting the lead gen form with their details such as their name, email address, contact number, and the type of service in which the lead is interested, then automatically the details of this lead should be sent as a notification to my team members on my Google Chat space. Alright, every time a lead will be received, I cannot send the message manually to my team members because we are receiving multiple inquiries and multiple leads on regular basis. Therefore, I am going to set up a connection between my Facebook lead ads and Google Chat space in such a way that as soon as the lead will be received, the message will be sent as a notification with all the details on this space. Okay, so how we are going to automate this process? For that, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. With the help of Pabbly Connect, we are going to build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Chat space without the requirement of any coding and programming skills. So quickly, let's get started. Currently, I am on my home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping this URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It is going to create a free new account for you just in 2 minutes. And also when you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on Access Now. And now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on our dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created. And to save the same workflows, we can also create separate folders over here. Now to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this Create Workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, I'm going to give a name over here. Notify team on Google Chat for new Facebook leads. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have a list of folders over here on my dashboard. Among these folders, I'm going to select the separate folder which I have created for all the automations which I'm going to create related to my Facebook lead ads. So here Facebook lead ads marketing automation will be my folder. Now I'm going to click on create. And as we've done that, you can see a screen is open in front of us. The screen contains a blank workflow which we have to fill in order to complete our automation. Now, this blank workflow contains two extremely important windows. First, over here is the trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads for my digital marketing agency, then automatically a message should be sent to my team members as a notification on Google Chat space. So here I'm going to take Facebook lead ads in trigger and Google Chat in action. When we are going to build a connection between these applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through Facebook lead ads, then only the notification will be sent on Google Chat, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating our automation step by step. To start with the workflow, first of all, we will go towards our trigger step. And now here we are going to select our trigger application. Over here, our trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So let's quickly select that. Now we have to select the trigger event. So trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. We have three options over here. Among these options, I'm going to select new lead instant, because here my objective is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads for my business, instantly the response of that lead should be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now here we have selected the trigger application and the event. So now it's time to build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. To build the connection, you have to make sure that you are already logged into your Facebook account and here you have opened the page. So here we are going to click on switch button so that we can act as the page only. So here now I have logged in as my page. Okay, now I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect. We are going to click on this connect button and we have two options to build the connection: add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection with Facebook lead ads, just go with your existing connection. But for creating a new connection, I'm going to show you what you have to do. You have to go towards add new connection and you have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Now you have to select your account. You have to click on continue. And now here once again, you have to click on continue as the account. As we have done that, now you can see that the authorization has become successful and the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. Now what we are supposed to do, we have to select our page and the form. So here first of all, I'm going to select my page. The name of my page on which I am running my ad campaign is Digital Dynamics. So here I'm going to go back and select the same, Digital Dynamics. And now it is asking us the lead gen form, by using which lead gen form you want to generate the leads. So here I have created multiple forms, as you can see, for generating the leads. Now this is my Facebook page and I am running an ad campaign on this page, as I have told you. So to generate the leads with the help of ad campaign, I have also created the lead gen form, and the lead gen form is created with the help of Facebook lead ads. So whenever a lead is going to visit my Facebook page, they are going to watch my ad campaign, and the interested leads in any of my service or the products, when they are going to submit that lead gen form with their details, then I want to capture the response, and that I am going to automate. Okay, so here I am going to select this new contact form which I have recently created. With the help of this, I want to generate the leads. Okay, when the lead is going to submit this contact form, then only I want to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect. So now here what we are going to do, we are going to capture the response. In order to capture the response, first of all, let's turn this simple response button on, because we want to capture the response in simple terms. And when we are going to click on save and send test request button, it has started showing waiting for response. Here we have already received a test response. So now what we are going to do, we are going to move forward towards capturing a new response. Okay, how we are going to do that? In order to capture this response by doing a test submission, we have to submit this contact form. And in order to submit this contact form, I am going to take you towards my Meta for Developers account. So this is Meta for Developers. Over here you have to go towards the developer tools, and after coming on developer tools, when you will scroll down, you will find the option of lead ads RTO debug tool. Here this has taken us towards the lead ads testing tool. Over here we are going to test our integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. We are going to select our specific page and the specific form. When we are going to submit that form with the details, automatically the response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Basically, I am using this lead ads testing tool to check whether my connection is successful or not. Now here, because currently I'm not running any live campaign on my Facebook page, this is just a test connection which I'm going to show you. Therefore, I could not send the response of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect. But in your case, when you will be running a live campaign, once you will set up this connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, and you will test your connection like this from lead ads testing tool, then after that, whenever a new lead is going to submit that form, automatically the response of that real lead with all the actual data will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now currently let us quickly test our connection. First of all, I will select my page. So the name of my page is Digital Dynamics. I'm going to select that over here. And then we have to select the form. So the form is already selected. In case if you are using any existing form, so you will have to delete the existing lead from that form, and then you have to refresh the page. Then you are going to once again select your page and form, and then you will click on preview form to open and submit the form. Why? Because we are doing a test submission, so we cannot send multiple leads with the same form. We have to delete the existing lead from the existing form, and then we have to send the new one. Okay, currently because this form which I have selected is already new, so I'm going to click on preview form directly. And now this is the contact form which I am going to submit. So first of all, it is asking us interested service or product. In which kind of service the lead is interested, they have to enter it. So I'm going to enter the service, let's say as creative ads marketing. Then let's say the name of the lead who is submitting this form is Smart, and the last name is, let's say, lead. Okay, so the name is Smart Lead. I'm going to enter the email as well, smartlead32@pabblytudes.com, and over here I'm going to enter a random phone number as well. Alright, when I'm going to click on continue, then I'm going to submit this form. And as we have submitted the form, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect to capture the response. Now here we have already captured the response, and you can see we have received all the details. First of all, we have received the type of service or product in which the lead is interested, creative ads marketing. Then we have received the name of the lead, we have received the email, the phone number, and the date and time at which the lead is received. Okay, this means that the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. Here we have also received the form ID when you will see. Now, once we have completed this connection, now every time a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, automatically a response of that lead with all the details will be captured. Now, our objective is to send this response with all the details of the lead to our team members to notify them on Google Chat Space. So now the time is to build the connection between Google Chat Space and Pabbly Connect. Let's move towards our action step. Our action application over here will be Google Chat Hangout. Let's select that. Then we have to select the action event. What you want to perform? I want to send the message. So create message will be the action event. Let's click on connect. As we have done that, now we have to enter the details. First of all, we have to build the connection with the help of webhook URL. So it is asking us a chat webhook URL. How we are going to get this? To get this chat webhook URL, you have to simply click on this hyperlink given over here with the name as learn more. So as you will click on this hyperlink, it is going to take you towards Pabbly forum page, Pabbly support forum page. Okay. When you will scroll down, you will find all the details over here that how you have to build the connection between your Google Chat Space and Pabbly Connect. So in the given instructions, we have the avatar URL which we have to copy. And then you have to take this URL towards Google Chat Space to build the connection. So I'm going to take you towards my space over here. This is the name of my space, Digital Dynamics Team. So to build the connection, you have to go towards the name of your space, and here you will find multiple options. Among these options, you have to go towards apps and integration section. And now here you are going to add a webhook. So let's click on this add webhook button. And now you have to provide a name to the webhook. So first of all, I'm going to give the name, let's say as new Facebook lead alert. So every time a new Facebook lead will be received, I want to notify my team members. And this is an alert and notification message. So here I have given the name to my webhook as new Facebook lead alert. So you also have to keep in mind that whichever name you are going to give to your webhook, it is going to be displayed every time the message is going to be received. Okay. So you have to be careful while giving the name. Then after this, in the field of avatar URL, you have to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly forum page, and then we have to click on save. As we have done that, over here you can see that our webhook is created with a name as new Facebook lead alerts, and this is the chat webhook URL which is required inside Pabbly Connect. So we'll click on the three dots, we'll copy the link, move back and paste it over here quickly. As we have done that, the connection is built. Now here we have to enter the content of the message. What message you want to send in order to notify your team about the Facebook leads. So here I'm going to enter the message as new Facebook lead alert. Here are the details: name, email, phone number, interest area of the lead. That means in which kind of service the lead is interested. And here we have entered. And over here I have entered, kindly prioritize this lead and initiate follow-up at the earliest. Please ensure all interactions are logged accordingly. Thank you for your prompt attention. And now what we are going to do, we will simply click on save and send test request button. And now what we are going to do, we are going to enter the details over here, such as name, email, phone number and interest area. So these details are of the leads, and as you know, we have received all the details of the lead already in our earlier response. So instead of entering the details manually, what we are going to do, we will simply use our previous response. Here we have our previous step, we have all the details. So what we will do one by one, we will start entering them with the help of mapping. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here is my previous step. These are all the information given. First of all, I will select the name. So here I want the name first of all. So I will select the name. That is the first name. Then I'm going to use a space and I will select the last name. So here in this way I have created the full name. When we have done that, it has become dynamic, and with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace now. So as soon as we are going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically the name which we have mapped over here is going to replace with a new name of that new lead. And in this way, basically, we are going to automate the entire process. So in the similar manner, we are going to map all of the details as well. So now this time we are going to map the email. Let's search for the email address of the lead. It has redirected us. Let's select it and it is mapped. Then in the similar manner, we are going to map the phone number and finally the interested area. Okay, after entering all the details, we have made them dynamic, and now we are going to click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, the response is received. So this means that the message is sent on our Google Chat space. So now I'm going to take you towards my Google Chat space quickly, and over here you can see that the message is received. So in this message we have all the details of the lead. Okay, this means that the connection is absolutely successful, and now once we have set up this connection, every time a new Facebook lead will be received, automatically the message will be sent as a notification to our team members with all the details of the lead. In this way, we are going to make the process of lead follow-ups easy for the team members as well, so that as soon as the lead is received, all the details will be updated on our Google Chat space, and this way the team members could be able to follow up with the leads quickly and effortlessly. So I hope this automation is clear to you and the video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.